Twitter has turned into like on your marks, get set, ready, hate. Like there's nothing positive. That's mean why. Like we find something wrong in everything.
Yeah.
Like we try and find something wrong in. Yeah. But Khaled why push him this angabanga cover because she has got 100 goals. Maybe akho camera friendly. What? Maybe magase camera nofuna ukuteka and camera nofuna mestel. I think Phela push him this time to God. I think God. So ngenzeni ngigijime ngenzeni enamaza ngithi yamaza unoblokish so tshela mina mfethu ngenzani sake icalana kul cover kwenzakalani ama director unasikhathalele ngezo cover ka push him this uthenga abantu abengaki ngozoyibona ubona into wrong ukuthi why gijima why ngami yasasithombe somuntu bekadlula sesisho ubani ukukhava uthi phosha wathi wenzani bafethu yabazi laba abanyenanyana umina udla alright lapha alright noma ngabe asikho straight photoshop feders asithombe bo because intamo yakhe ayikho straight nama shoulders like
what did you see that
yeah mina ngiyenza encyclopedia like I'm gonna use this big English words this weekend for no reason. Like why ngifuna uphosha mdise la? Okay, abafaka mina bafake bani? Exactly. Uyasacabanga. Usacabanga. Ufuna ufaka uMark Williams. Hey, though you know. Masakande. And I was Mark Williams unama force. Yobe kuleke indende kule yakava. Shut up. All right, 2 minutes I made it.
What's up?